Welcome to HSE Explorer. Today, we're diving into the top 10 construction site hazards involving heavy machinery and how to stay safe while operating them. Whether you're working with excavators, dozers, or trucks, these tips will help you navigate the risks and keep your worksite safe. Heavy machinery plays a crucial role in construction. From excavators digging deep foundations to dozers clearing land, each piece of equipment is essential for a project's success. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Let's take a look at some of the most common machines on site and the risks associated with them. Loader. This machine, known as a loader, is used to move materials like soil, sand, or stone from one place to another, ideal for loading tasks. Dump truck, used on construction sites to transport heavy loads. It carries materials and uses a dumping system for unloading. Bulldozer. This powerful machine is used for pushing, digging, and leveling soil. It plays a crucial role in site preparation. Dragline excavator. This massive machine is used for large-scale excavation and mining. Its long boom and large bucket allow it to dig vast areas. Excavator, a versatile machine used for various digging tasks, commonly used in construction, mining, and earth moving. It can perform both digging and lifting operations. Operating heavy machinery comes with significant risks. Let's explore the top 5 hazards you might face on a construction site. Overturning machinery. One of the most common risks is the overturning of machinery, especially on uneven terrain. Blind spots. Heavy machinery often has large blind spots, making it difficult for operators to see workers or obstacles nearby. Poor maintenance. Regular maintenance is critical to ensure machinery operates safely. Neglected maintenance can lead to equipment failure. Ground conditions. Unstable or uneven ground can cause machinery to slip or lose control. Ground conditions. Unstable or uneven ground can cause machinery to slip or lose control. To minimize these risks, here are some essential safety tips for working with heavy machinery on construction sites. Regular maintenance. Always ensure your machinery is well maintained. Regular checks can prevent unexpected failures. Operator training. Proper training for all operators is a must. Understanding the machinery's limits and capabilities is crucial. Use of safety equipment. Always wear the appropriate safety gear, including helmets, gloves, and high visibility clothing. Ground stability checks. Before operation, assess ground conditions to ensure stability. Awareness of surroundings. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially near blind spots and power lines. These are just a few of the most common hazards and safety tips when working with heavy machinery. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Thanks for watching HSE Explorer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your colleagues. Stay safe out there.